upbeat music plays in the background. Welcome back to our channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a battle of the mops. On my left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, and on my right, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. It's the showdown of the century. Who will emerge victorious in the quest for cleaner floors? Let's find out. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Bissell PowerFresh is priced at a whopping $144, which some reviewers feel is a bit high, but worth it for the cleaning power it provides. Meanwhile, the Newbealer comes in at a much friendlier $104, making it a more affordable option for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers appreciate the value they get with Newbealer, often mentioning its effectiveness in cleaning without breaking the bank. Next, let's get steamy. Literally! The Bissell packs a punch with a power rating of 1,500 watts, which users rave about for its ability to tackle tough pet messes. However, the Newbealer isn't slacking off either. At 1,200 watts, it heats up in just 20 seconds and can blast steam at a sizzling 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers find it quick to produce steam, making it efficient for everyday cleaning tasks. While Bissell may have a bit more power, Newbealer gets high marks for its rapid performance. Now, let's talk versatility. The Bissell is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can tackle both floors and above, earning it high praise for its versatility and the abundance of 13 included tools. Reviewers love how it can deep clean grout and other surfaces effectively. On the other hand, Newbealer also offers an all-in-one solution with a detachable handheld cleaner and various attachments. Users appreciate its ability to clean different surfaces, from floors to windows. Both products shine in this category, but Bissell edges out slightly with more included tools. Let's not forget about cleaning time. The Bissell boasts a heater warm-up time of just 30 seconds, which users find convenient for quick cleanups. Meanwhile, Newbealer provides 10 to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning with its water tank. Reviewers note that, while it can handle extended cleaning sessions, keeping an eye on the water level is essential. Both mops save time during cleaning, but Bissell offers a quicker start. Last but not least, let's talk about weight. The Bissell is sturdy, but it's not the lightest option out there. In contrast, Newbealer weighs in at just 3.96 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Reviewers often mention how easy it is to clean with the Newbealer, especially for those who struggle with heavier mops. If you're looking for something easy to handle, Newbealer is the clear winner. In summary, the reviews for the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop highlight its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, with many users praising its effectiveness on various surfaces. However, some find it a bit pricey. Meanwhile, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner garners positive feedback for being lightweight and affordable, although it has some limitations in power compared to Bissell. Overall, both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So who's the ultimate steam mop champion? If you want a powerful and versatile option and don't mind shelling out a bit more cash, Bissell might be your go-to. But if you're on a budget and need something lightweight with a variety of attachments, Newbealer is calling your name. Remember folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Newbealer, it's all about finding what works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.